Valley's leading news program with Jim Gardner.
Tonight's Health Check special report is about melting fat. A new treatment claims to help you lose inches with no pain and without hitting the gym. Health reporter and registered nurse Allie Gorman has been looking into this claim. Allie, we have heard these claims before. Why should we think this is different?
We have, and there are similar treatments out there. This one, dare I say, seems to actually work faster. It's a treatment that was approved by the FDA a few years ago. Local doctors are now starting to use it. Of course, many were skeptical at first, so we followed one woman through the process to see just how well it worked for her. Like many women, 50-year-old Colette Klein exercises and tries to eat healthy, but still has what she considers a problem area.
I think at this age, things are starting to settle right here.
She'd like to take a few inches off her belly and sides, but doesn't want anything invasive. So she's trying the new strawberry laser lipo.
If you could just put your hands behind your head.
First, they take us through the before measurements. Then Colette is wrapped with the device, 10 minutes for each area. Plastic surgeon Dr. Lyle Back explains the treatment uses a cold laser.
There's something about this laser that enables it to get through the outer layers of the skin without you feeling it.
Then he says with no damage to the outer layers, the light goes to the fat cells. They develop pores which begin to open.
The fat cell begins to empty and it collapses. And its friend does, and its other friend does, and then thousands of these cells all start going like this and emptying.
So the area shrinks. The office also includes vibration technology after treatments. It mimics exercise and is said to help flush the lymphatic system. Patients are also asked to walk for activity to help the process. Dr. Back says strawberry laser lipo has a 95% success rate, with the average loss of 4 inches in an area after 8 treatments. But he says many patients lose more. As for Colette, we caught up with her after her last treatment and measurements.
And your grand total of inches lost after 8 treatments in 1 month is 9 3/4 inches.
Wow.
Here's her before and after from the front, the side, and back.
I felt great. That's amazing. That's a great result for just lying there doing nothing.
And as long as Colette sticks to her healthy lifestyle, her slimmer shape should stick. And this can be used for almost any area of the body, but it's not for people looking to lose a large amount of weight. It's more for people who want to reshape an area. And it's not recommended for some people with medical problems. As for the cost, it's about $200 per treatment. The cost goes down the more sessions you buy. And several doctors in our area offer the new treatment, so we have more information on 6abc.com.
What's his name?
Dr. Lyle Back.
And his telephone number?
I don't know his number by heart.
You'll give it to me up there?
You're fine.
Okay, thank you. No. All right, thank you.